Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, towing package, heated outside mirrors, rain-sensing wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.